My name is Lori.
My name is Jonathan.
And we are the Grossmans.
We've lived in this house a long time, longer than we thought we would.
We've been here for almost 12 years, and we've been raising our family here. One from the age of 1, and then our daughter was born here. And now our kids are 9 and almost going on 13. It feels like it's a good transition time for us.
The room we're sitting in is the family room. It's been a gathering room for us.
All the kids had their toys here. They played dress up here, but over the years, those toys kind of go away.
And reveal all of the paint and pencil markings and signatures on all the walls.
First of all, the underlying fact is that we love being together. We really do.
I agree.
Our hope for transforming this room is to have a super cozy place where we can be on the ground, like on pillows, playing games.
We've used Bona products since we've gotten the bamboo floors 12 years ago.
They're kid-friendly and they're pet-friendly. And that's big for us, being that we have 2 kids and we have 2 dogs. So much wear and tear.
When we first heard about doing something to the floors, I really had never considered it. I didn't think it was possible, quite frankly.
Maybe we've done too much damage to them. Like, how can they fix these things? After talking to the Bona certified craftsman, he reassured me that we could keep the feeling that we wanted to feel in this room. We live in California, and I love that whole light, airy feeling.
I was impressed that the Bona certified craftsman said that we could get the black lines out of the floors.
What I'm most excited about having our floors restored is definitely cleanliness.
I think that what Lori actually is going to be most excited about is this is going to be the greatest excuse for her to make me take my shoes off when I come in.
Ooh.
Here you go.
Oh my God.
No more tape marks. Isn't it nice?
This is amazing.
It's flat and smooth now and should perform for you really well.
The grooves.
Yeah, they're gone.
Thank you. It's a new floor for us. It feels like a new floor.
Transforming this room from a kid's playroom to a more sophisticated family room seems like a perfect match for our family.
The floor reflects the light so beautifully now. It feels like a fresh new space for us.
I can see myself spending time in here, whereas before that wasn't really something that I was looking forward to. This is a destination room in our house now. We are hanging out together in here, playing piano, reading, listening to music, just enjoying the space itself.
This will definitely be a space where we will congregate. And it probably will bring friends in here and maybe have cocktail hours in here, hours.
We're gonna look back on this room 5 years from now at the pictures. The floor's gonna look great, and it's still gonna look great because we're gonna do it right and take care of it. And we're gonna create all these memories of our home and our floors and our room where it's like, oh, we're still taking care of this room.
And the only changes we'll see are our kids.
Yeah.